Today I am reviewing Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 is one of those laptops that truly hits the sweet spot between performance, portability, and practicality. It's designed for everyday users, students, and professionals who want a reliable and modern laptop that feels fast, looks premium, and performs even better than you'd expect in this price range. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5625U processor, this laptop is built on AMD's 6-core, 12-thread architecture, offering serious performance for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. In fact, it comfortably outperforms Intel's popular i7-1255U chip in most real-world tasks. Whether you're browsing with multiple tabs open, editing spreadsheets, attending online meetings, or streaming HD content, the IdeaPad Slim 3 runs smoothly without any lag. One of the highlights here is that Ryzen 5 chip. It's not just fast, it's efficient. With boost speeds up to 4.3 GHz, you get desktop-level responsiveness in a slim, power-efficient laptop. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics also provide enough graphical power for light gaming, streaming, and creative work like photo editing or simple video editing. Moving on to memory and storage, Lenovo gives you 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive. This combination ensures super fast boot times, instant app loading, and seamless switching between tasks. The SSD is blazing quick. You'll notice that Windows 11 Pro boots up in seconds, and heavy applications like Office, Chrome, and Photoshop launch almost instantly. Speaking of Windows, the IdeaPad Slim 3 comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, not the home version. That means you're getting advanced productivity features, enhanced security, and professional-level controls, ideal for students, businesses, and creators. On top of that, Lenovo includes lifetime access to Microsoft Office 365 for the web, so you can easily create and edit Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents without buying any extra license. As long as you're online, you have a complete productivity suite ready to go. Now, let's talk about the display, because this is an area where Lenovo consistently delivers. The IdeaPad Slim 3 features a 15.6-inch Full HD LED panel with a crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution. The screen looks sharp, with vivid colors and wide viewing angles, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. The matte, anti-glare coating reduces reflections, which means you can work comfortably even under bright lighting or near windows. The design of the laptop is another strong point. As the name suggests, it's slim, lightweight, and stylish. At just around 3 to 3.9 pounds and only 0.7 inches thin, this laptop is easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're moving between classes, traveling for work, or just using it around the house, it feels portable without sacrificing durability. The gray finish gives it a professional and minimalist look, suitable for both office and home use. The backlit keyboard is one of my favorite features. It's not something you often find in this price range, but Lenovo includes it here, and it makes typing in dim environments so much easier. The full-sized layout, including a numeric keypad, ensures comfortable typing for long sessions, whether you're writing, coding, or working with spreadsheets. In terms of connectivity, Lenovo has done a great job providing all the essentials. You get 3 USB ports, including a modern Type-C port, 1 HDMI output, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and even a card reader. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you get fast internet and stable device connections for streaming, conferencing, or file transfers. Battery life is decent, with up to 3 hours of regular use on a single charge, depending on your workload. While it's not designed for all-day unplugged performance, the included 65-watt power adapter charges the laptop quickly, so you can top it up in a short break and keep working. You'll also find an HD webcam with an integrated microphone, making it ready for online meetings or virtual classes right out of the box. Audio quality is clear, and the dual stereo speakers deliver crisp sound for calls and media playback. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 delivers an impressive balance of power, portability, and price. You get an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U processor that outperforms Intel i7 chips in the same class, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, a full HD display, and Windows 11 Pro with Office 365 for web, all in a sleek and lightweight chassis with a premium feel. This laptop is perfect for students, professionals, freelancers, and home users who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. It's ideal for everyday computing, online learning, business tasks, and even light creative work. And because it's a Lenovo, you can count on excellent build quality and long-term reliability.